Welcome everybody to Jokhio Apps. Today we are going to learn how to check for updates using mySQL. First of all, create a request network component in your app. Start network request with method get. We will paste URL of our PHP file here. On response network, convert JSON to a list map. Substring of response from 19 to length of response -1. I would like to store information about latest versions of all my apps in one table. So we need to iterate as many times as length of our list map. We will start from index 0 and increase index on each iteration. You have to place your package name here. If package name matches with the value in database, then we will check version number in database. Enter your current version here. For example, in future you have released a new version of your app and updated the version number in database, then our app will produce a dialog prompt. On OK button, we will set an intent with action view. And a link provided in database. You can place a link of your Play Store or any other link that leads to your latest version. Now go to link provided in description. Copy that PHP script, configure it with your database username password. Save it as a PHP file and upload it to your server. If you are looking for a free hosting, I will suggest you 000 web host. Now copy your package name and paste it inside code right here. Then go to database table and insert values from here. Copied package name along with version and link. Now go to your web server, upload your file, view it. If you have correctly configured your PHP file and have some data in database, then it will look something like that. Now copy link of that web page, go to project, paste it and run the project. Wait for a while until it checks data and server. Hooray! Here is our pop-up. Now if user clicks on update now, it will lead him or her to the web page link provided in our database. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.